Hey everybody, welcome to Keto Alicious and day 25. I hope you guys are all doing amazing out there. I'm feeling so great. I want to today just do a really simple recipe that is one of my favorites. Anytime I go to a Chinese restaurant, I cannot wait for the egg drop soup. So today I'm making keto egg drop soup. All right guys, so this recipe is so easy. I just take chicken broth, 32 ounces, pour it in a pan. So easy. I'm gonna put all the ingredients or some of the ingredients in here, and then I'm gonna take you over to my stove and I'm gonna show you that instead of my face, and we're gonna cook one of my favorite all-time soups. This is so easy. You can make this and have this in your lunch in less than 10 minutes, okay? So then I'm going to take amino acids. Liquid amino acids are my best friend. And I'm going to put a tablespoon into that. And you know what? It's all to taste. So do what you like. Then there's ground ginger. And I'm going to put about a teaspoon of that. Ooh, look at that. About a teaspoon. All right, now the cooking process begins. So because I'm such a one-man show, I'm gonna drop you down into my food. Perfect. Okay, so what I'm doing here is now I'm letting it boil. And when I let that boil, then I've taken 2 eggs and I've lightly beaten them. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna wait for this to boil, and then I'm gonna pour and stir at the same time. And then I'm gonna put some green onions in there. And we are going to have the fastest feast ever. So I'm just waiting here. Okay, and until that happens, I just want to talk to you a little bit about my day yesterday. So obviously today you know what I'm having for my, there we go. You can see a lot of my background, my kitchen. So you're gonna, you know what I'm having for lunch today. I'm gonna have egg drop soup. I can't wait. Keto egg drop soup. And then last night I made a wonderful beef and broccoli. I added broccoli and I added mushrooms and I added tiny bit of onions and garlic, and I had a filet mignon and I had all the end pieces, so I cut all those up into slices and put that in there. I put a little bit of the amino acids in there. I put a little bit of fish sauce in there, and of course onion powder, salt and pepper, and then I think that's it. It was so wonderful. It's so easy. So I just whipped that up, and I have some of that for leftovers. So I thought what I would do is probably, because I think I'm eating with one tonight, so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take advantage of a leftover. Oops, my hair's crazy today. Take advantage of a leftover today after I have my soup, and then have that beef and broccoli for dinner tonight. So this is still trying to boil, so I'm going to bring this over in a minute. I would love to, anybody that makes any of my recipes, you know, it's the only way that I know if I'm doing good or not is by getting comments from you guys. So if you guys have tried any of my recipes, if you've been to my blog and you've tried recipes maybe that I don't have a video for, I would love you guys to leave me a comment. Let me know if you tried it, if you loved it, if you didn't like it, what your family might have said about it. I would love that. I would love the feedback from you guys. It would be absolutely wonderful. So as you can see, everything is good. I had a harder time with my water yesterday. I don't know why. I just couldn't get it in. So today I'm going to try to get my water in. And then tomorrow I'm gonna maybe walk, or I'm going to do maybe some floor exercises. So I'll take you there with me. That's a scary, I've been talking to you about that. That's kind of scary for me, but I'm willing to do it because you know what? I feel good, and I think that's the next step to keto for me, is staying on track with some exercise. Now, I'm not going to be exercising every day, but I do think that if I just do it, just between a walk or, maybe some yoga. I've never done yoga and Pilates, but I'm willing to try. So maybe I'll follow a video and you can follow me, and maybe that'll be the biggest flub up video, and maybe it'll be the funniest, and maybe it'll go viral. Who knows? But I'm willing to do that. I'm willing to try. So all right, guys, so my chicken broth is almost boiling here. I can't believe how simple this is. This is so amazing. So I'm going to take the camera off of me, and I'm going to put it down here, and I'm going to just allow you guys to see the boil, and also allow you to see when I pour the eggs in, what happens in the magic for keto egg drop soup. And oh my gosh, I cut some green onions, which those are my favorite too, and I can smell the aroma of the green onions. And so mixing these two together, and it's almost time for my meal, not quite. So this will be really good to have on hand, and I'll probably have a little extra, so I'll probably maybe gravitate toward that tomorrow. I don't know, but I just love having things that are already made. I am a leftover lover, and so it brings joy to my heart that I don't have to, think about it all the time. I just do it and do quite a bit of it, and then I'm happy for a few days. So, all right, guys, so it is starting to boil, so I'm gonna slide my camera down here, so hopefully you can see that. And I'm going to get a little closer. If I get too close here, then it might boil right into the phone, but that's okay. I'll take a chance. I try not to edit my videos because I think, for a lot of people, they want to see real, and you're getting real with me. And this is kind of why I'm doing all this, is because I don't want it to be fake and and have it all edited and taken out the parts that didn't work. So that's kind of my goal. All right, guys, so I'm going to get a little stirring stick here, and it is boiling. So I'm going to stir and pour. And look at that. Oh my gosh, look at the magic. Oh, it is so amazing. Cooking to me is such a joy. Now look at that. It's already that quickly cooked, and it's ready to go. So I'm going to turn it down a bit. Now, if you guys like your soup a little thicker, then put some xanthan gum in there. Put like a half of a teaspoon in there, and it'll thicken up. And then your green onions, put about, I don't know, a teaspoon. I think I put 2 teaspoons because I'm a green lover. And there you have it. That's how easy it is. Oh my gosh, you guys. So perfect. So I'm going to soup this up into a bowl. All right, guys, I have souped that up into a beautiful bowl, and I'm going to take a spoon here and try it. But look at that. Oh my gosh. So amazing and so easy. And oh. So there you have it, guys. That is my easy keto egg drop soup. It is so easy. I hope you guys try it. And I know I'm gonna have that for lunch today. I can't wait. And you know, I've shared with you the biggest challenge that I've had during keto is pre-planning. So, you know, that's not a secret. So every time I make a new recipe, I always try to make extra. Now this little guy, probably about 3 servings. It could be 4, depending on, you know, who's eating it. But you could even make it 2. I mean, you could load up on it. It's only got 2 eggs and chicken broth in it and for green onions. So you don't have hardly any calories. You don't have hardly any net carbs. I mean, you don't have to worry about it. So you can load up on it. These are the kind of things that are so amazing when you do have a little bit of a thought process that you're hungry. Man, you could just put that in a coffee cup or a teacup and you could just sip that throughout the day and between your meals, and that would give you fullness. And you know, it's got some structure to it. The eggs are filling. I know a lot of you guys are not egg lovers out there, and so I kind of hesitated to make this, but it's my favorite, and so I thought, you know, it's easy for me. I'm always on the go. So for all you egg lovers out there, I hope you try it. I hope you enjoy it. So with that said, you guys, if you have any questions for me on how I'm doing on keto, oh my gosh, day 25. Can you believe it? 5 more days and I will have been on keto for 30 days, and I can't tell you the difference that I feel compared to when I first started. So I also, let's see, day 26 tomorrow. I've got a lot of other things planned inside and outside of the home. It's starting to, the sun is starting to shine, which has given me spring fever. I love to be outside. And I will take you on my outdoor journeys with me as I continue on. But so lots of things to look forward to, but I just really want to fill you guys up with lots of easy recipes so you don't have any reason why you don't know what to eat with keto. You can go onto my blog. Actually, I'm revamping it, setting it up differently. So hopefully it will become easier to kind of maneuver and go around, and I'm setting up a new store in there, and all of my videos I have decided to put in my store in an audio form. So if any of you guys, I know I would love to have you on my videos. I understand that life gets busy. And so I also know that, you know, sometimes you can't just sit and watch a video, especially if you're driving. So what I've done for you guys is each and every day I've taken my videos and I've changed them into an audio form, and I've added them to my store. And they're very inexpensive. You can purchase 1 day, you can purchase 1 week. Eventually you can purchase 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and eventually you can purchase my whole 30 days. And if I continue on with this journey on a day-by-day basis, which I haven't gotten any feedback either way, I may continue those too. I also am going to add some things in my store that have to do with motivation, listening to some motivational audios, and I'm going to make those scripts and record my voice geared toward keto and staying motivated. So I'll update you on that. That's in my future here. And I'm always given a little heads up. I am working on 2 cookbooks right now. One of them is geared toward a lot of the foods that I've already made, and you'll have it all packed together in nice categories so that you have it with you. You don't have to watch a video or look at the blog to get you the recipe. It'll all be right in front of you. Also, the other cookbook that I'm working on is keto condiments. That has been the biggest challenge for most people, because when you go to the store and you need ketchup and you can't find a ketchup that's sugar-free, I'm going to have all those recipes that can be made up and whipped up. My keyword is easy keto. So be watching for those. Those are going to be coming soon. And I'm staying busy behind the scenes, you guys, to make sure that each and every video gives you a lot of great information, gives you wonderful keto food and wonderful motivation. Stay tuned, everybody, for tomorrow, day 26. As I always say, I love each and every one of you, and I so appreciate that you have made my channel exciting for me by subscribing to it. If you haven't subscribed, please do. If you haven't clicked the bell button up above, click it so you never miss one of my videos. And if you can't watch my videos, or you've seen one or two of my videos but you don't have the time, be sure to go to ketoalicious.com, go into my shop and check out my audio forms or my podcast so that you can have those with you. You can download those right from there. You get them immediately. You can also upload those into or download those into your phone, and you always have it. As of right now, you have day 1 through day 21. So that's a lot of them. Be looking for all the way up to day 30 and possibly from there on. I will see you guys again tomorrow. And I just know that beautiful soup right there that I just made, I'm going to go enjoy that here in just a few minutes. And I hope you guys do the same. So I will see you tomorrow. Have a beautiful rest of your day. Drink your water and stay motivated with me. Bye-bye.